AutoZone to get her some sunglasses. Tried giving her mine, but then I couldn't see. So they have these Dollar Tree things for $4. That's all they got. What the actual hell? Come on, AutoZone, kick it up a notch. We need at least $20 glasses, right?
Yeah.
I mean, they get the job done, but dang. Guys know that down below in the description box of all my videos, you'll find an Amazon store, which is where I'll have all kinds of parts for all your CF Moto needs. And even then, I have some stuff that's not just for CF Moto, but will work on CF Moto and other machines. I have everything from air filters to oil filters to oil to clutch parts to all kinds of parts for the Z950, the U-Force 1000, the Z800, 500, the trail models, the C-Forces, all those. I have Uni air filters for all of those machines. I have all kinds of stuff. Definitely check that out. Another thing is we'll be doing a meet and ride in October. The 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. We'll be at Tecumseh Trails. So if you can join us, that's in Ohio. If you can join us, we'll see you there. It's just going to be a meetup and a ride. Nothing special, nothing spectacular. But that's where we'll be. 1st, 2nd, 3rd of October. There's a few people that are going. I don't know how many people are going. But hopefully we get 4 or 5 machines out there. I'd like to see some U-Forces out there. I'd like to see some C-Forces out there if possible. And whatever you drive, bring it out. It don't even have to be a CF Moto. It could be a Can-Am. Who cares? Come ride with Redneck and the Peoples. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? What we got right here is Prefix Industry 2-inch lift kit for your Z-Force machines. They have tons of lift kit options. This is going to go on my cousin's 2017 800EX. It fits 2014 and up, which per user manual. But I do believe there's a few models that it won't fit. Now I know it says EX 1000, but this also should fit some trail models because there's no difference in frame, just the shocks themselves. So I don't know, I'm sure they'll have it listed on their website, but I know for a fact this will fit that 500 trail. The exhaust maybe, it might have something to do with the exhaust, but that one's modified, so I know this will fit on there. But we're gonna put this one on my cousin's 2017 800EX. Now I wanted to go over the fit and finish of these things. They seem to be made out of quality steel. I'm not exactly sure what type of steel, but this is just a lift kit. It doesn't have to be something real fancy. And these are going to be your front plates for the front of your machine, which this kit is so easy to bolt up. We just haven't been able to do it because we've ran into other issues with the side-by-side. Huh, Ronnie?
Yes.
What other issues have we had?
Battery took a crap.
The battery, it needs some bushings. Definitely needs some bushings. So we're probably gonna hold out on this for a while because I've had this for how long?
Month or two.
Right, 3 months. And I've been holding out on you guys, but stay tuned because we are gonna be putting it on. We are gonna be doing a video, an install video, but I have to say this is quality. The only thing I have to gripe about the packaging is this stuff is sticky, and it's kind of hard to get off of these, but not a big deal. It doesn't seem to leave any residue or anything of that nature. Paint quality seems to be pretty good. Check that out. Paint quality not so bad at all, really. But I wanted to let you guys know that this kit is pretty quality here. Look how thick those are. Those are pretty thick. We could probably mic them, but I'm not gonna do that today. But yeah, guys. I'll have a link down below as where you guys can get the prefix lift kit for your machines. So definitely check that out as well. All right, guys, this one's a short one. I'll see you in the next one. I want to thank you guys. Oh, before we go, would you guys like to see a teardown of the rear diff so we can look together and see what went wrong exactly? If so, click a thumbs up down here on this video. Leave me a comment and let me know what you would like to see on that old rear diff that I have sitting right over there on the floor. All right, guys, peace out. Look, guys, we were out here working, got some new LEDs put up. She's much brighter in here. Now, if I could just get the walls done, get me some shelving so I can be more organized, because this is a mess and I hate it. But we'll get it. It's been a long time coming. It looks looks a lot brighter in here now, guys. A lot brighter. I just gotta take them old lights to the dumpster. They work, but they're old and big and ugly. Got all these LED lights. I don't know how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16 lights in here. We'll get her. Then when I get the walls, I have a plan for the walls. It's just a matter of finding the stuff in bulk so I don't have to pay a ton of money. We'll get them up, work on it maybe this winter.